Hello everyone, welcome to MSG equipment premises. In this video we are going to wander about our huge territory visiting different working areas. Usually we make such excursion for guests coming to the training courses. Now you have a chance to see it without coming to Ukraine. My name is Yaroslav and today I will be your guide. Follow me. We start from the training class because it is the main place for studies where our guests spend most time. Some of our customers want to learn how to repair vehicle units with our equipment, and so they come to Ukraine to train with our specialist. In this class we conduct courses on diagnostic and repair of electric and hydraulic power steering units, starters and alternators. Here you can see a lot of units from different modern cars like Audi, Volkswagen, Mercedes, BMW and other popular car makes. Besides, we have a special repair tools which we manufacture for quick and easy assembling and disassembling of separate vehicle units. Here's our memory wall. We mention each our guest here. You can see a wide geographical diversity of visitors. We have guests from South Africa, Turkey, Japan, Portugal and other countries. We have quite a busy schedule, so if you want to visit us for the courses, make sure that you agree the dates beforehand. Here is the place where we usually consider theoretical issues, make notes regarding structure and operation of units. Let's go to the next location. In this department we assemble our unique equipment. By the way, you can see our product line on the website. I will remind that we manufacture diagnostic equipment for starters and alternators, air conditioning, shock absorbers, electric and hydraulic power steering and brake system. Here you can see our inventors who develop our test benches. And these are our constructors. Currently they are assembling testers for diagnostics of voltage regulators. After assembling, all our products are tested on specialized equipment in different vibration modes. It gives an opportunity to guarantee the top quality. Note that our equipment is CA certified. Let's move on. Here you can see both assembled items ready for shipping and separate housing waiting for assembling and testing. Our equipment is unique, implies the last automotive engineering technologies. All our products work under software programs which we develop ourselves, so we guarantee long-lasting service and fixing of any possible problems. Here you can see testers for diode bridges, voltage regulators, starters and alternators, fully packed and ready for delivery. There we have a warehouse of high-quality components, which are also certified. Now we will go to the repair area, where we recondition car units, steering racks and pumps. Let's go! By the way, here we dismount vehicle units for further repair and mount them back in the car. As you can see, there are several cars lifts here. Let's go to the repair area. We are now in the assembly area, where specialists recondition hydraulic steering racks. First, they diagnose units, detect failures like leak. In this regard, we use our test bench MS502M. Then they disassemble steering racks, replace worn-out elements such as seals, rubbers and other components. Then they assemble units and conduct the final after repair check on the test bench. Sometimes alternators participation is needed in the process of repair of steering racks. So we will go to the area where our metal cutting equipment is located for the corresponding works. By the way, this is one more area where we dismount and mount power steering units. Let's go! Here is the area where our specialist green stuffs cut pistons, manufacture additional repair components such as bushings, cylinders for repair of pinions and essential tools. The equipment that you see here regularly undergoes necessary maintenance, so it's reliable and copes with the functions. Come with me to the repair area for hydraulic pumps. In this area, our specialists conduct testing and disassemble of power steering pumps. Here you can see our test bench MSG04. It is used after all repair work in order to make final diagnostics. Now we will go into the warehouse of finished products. Follow me. At this warehouse we have units which are going to be repaired soon. It is mostly Opel electric power steering racks and pumps. Also we store here components which can be applied in the repairs such as bearings, torque sensors and others. On the upper shelves we store units ready for packing and shipping. Now follow me to the cleaning area. This is our cleaning area. This is where units are cleaned in the very beginning before reconditioning. At this working place, our specialists dismount tie roots, protective covers and other elements. This is our washing containers. We put a unit inside. It is processed with very necessary chemical solution and after it is washed under high pressure. After the cleaning, sandblasting and painting, units are placed here. A small sandblasting machine is located in the next room. I will show it to you now. Now we have come to the place where our specialists conduct mechanical cleaning of separate components of the units from corrosion and contamination. A lot of our guests ask where we buy these sandblasting machines. The point is that we don't buy them. We manufacture them by ourselves, though we produce them for personal use, not for sale. Anyway, you can see how compact it is. Besides, here is a container where preliminary cleaning with gasoline or kerosene is carried out. Let's go. Here is our area of painting and drying. You can see painted hydraulic pumps, for example like this one. When they dry, our specialists inspect them for quality of polishing and after units are packed. We are now going to the electric area, which is the last point of our excursion. Follow me. We are now at the entrance to the repair area of electric power steering units. Before we go inside, I should say that our company is the one of the largest EPS units manufacturing representatives in the territory of Ukraine. We share our reconditioning techniques only with our customers who come to the training courses, so don't hesitate to visit us. So let's go inside. This area is divided into two sections. In the first section we have a car lift for easy dismounting of units. Also here we have a warehouse of components and 2 shelves with units, before and after repair. In the second section there is a working area where all units are tested and repaired. Welcome! Here we have 3 working places. Each place includes 2 working tables. Metal counting table is used for assembling and disassembling of units, dismounting of torque sensors, shafts and others. The second table is wooden and used for electric works with electronic control unit. We have laptop with all the necessary diagnostic programs, soldering machines, laboratory controller unit, EPS controller MS561, which we use for diagnostic of electric units. Also we have other components like relays and boards. This is also a diagnostic test bench manufactured on the basis of MS561, which gives an opportunity to test EPS pumps. In the next room there are diagnostics cables for connection of units to the controller and cleaning container. And now let's go outside. So, this is the end of the excursion. Come to our training courses to visit all these areas personally. Contact information in the description below this video. Big Brother is watching you.